In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Google Sheets. Whether you're collaborating with international teams or simply traveling around the world, having your spreadsheets reflect the correct time zone is crucial for maintaining clarity and coordination. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up the Google Sheets document that you wish to work on. Make sure you're logged in to your Google account, as this will allow you to access your files with ease. Once you're in, familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top, find the File menu. It's located in the top left corner of your screen, just under the title of your Google Sheet. Go ahead and click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. Among these options, you'll want to find and click on Settings. Typically, this will be towards the bottom of the list. Selecting this will open a new window which includes various customization options specific to your sheet. Now, keep your eyes peeled for the time zone section. Here you'll see a drop-down list, which is essentially what you're looking for to change the time zone settings. Clicking on the drop-down list will present you with numerous time zones to choose from. In our example today, we'll select the Pacific time zone, which is listed as GMT 08:00 Pacific time. You can scroll through and select whichever time zone suits your needs, whether it's for aligning with a different region or adapting to changes for daylight savings. After selecting your desired time zone, make sure you click on Save and Reload. This is a vital step to ensure that all changes you've made take effect. By doing so, Google Sheets will refresh the document, applying the new time zone settings. Once your document has reloaded, you can verify that the time zone settings are applied correctly. To do this, click on any cell within your spreadsheet, then type in the formula =now, open and close parenthesis. This formula will display the current time according to the time zone you've just set, right there in that cell. Hit the Enter key to execute this formula. Next, if you'd like to check the current date, you can use a similar method. In a different cell, enter the formula =today, open and close parenthesis. Press the Enter key again, and it will show you the current date based on your time zone settings. This process ensures that all time-dependent data and functions within your sheet are aligned with the time zone you specified. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your data organized and accurate, especially when working across different regions or time frames. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for configuring your Google Sheets to match your desired time zone.